Morning everyone. I have to be really quiet because it's just after 6 o'clock. In this video I'm gonna show you what it takes to install a boiler, to do a combi boiler swap, how the day starts, how we go through the day, and exactly how long it takes. I'm gonna go load the van up. We're gonna go to the merchants and pick up the boiler first. Let's go. Very foggy day, as you can see. All the tools are loaded. It's 20 to 7. I'm going to the merchants now to pick up the boiler, and I'm gonna try to be at the job before 8 o'clock.
Also, the interface between TT. It's very foggy in the area as well.
It's 20 past 7 and the boiler's loaded up. We're leaving the merchants, and it's all been fine apart for those morons blocking everyone. Quarter to 8 on my way to the client. I want to be there for about 8 o'clock. Coffee break. Who else is addicted to coffee? I'm definitely addicted to coffee. Drink way too much of it. That's all I do. I don't eat all day. Just drink coffee and don't take breaks and rush around London like a maniac. It's not very healthy. This client's on a call, so I'll have to wait for 20 minutes before I can unload. So it's gonna be 8:30 when I start unloading this stuff, and probably start the install at 9 a.m. We're gonna test the tightness first. Half past 9, old boiler off the wall. The flue doesn't quite align with the old boilers. I'd have to cut out a bigger hole internally, just a tiny bit. It's 12 o'clock. I've got all the pipework finished apart for pressure relief because I don't have a compression coupler for 15 mil, so I have to go to the shop and pick it up. So I'll go on my lunch break, pick the fitting up. That's the trouble, not having fittings in the van or having wrong fittings. That's what delays me on installations, but I've run out of compression coupling, so I have no choice, have to pick one up. Ten past 1, all the pipework is done. I just have to drill for the condense because I'm gonna connect it externally, connect electrics, and flash the system and commission it. So I'm gonna turn the central heating on with cleaning chemicals in while I'll drill through the wall, connect the condense and finish off the flue. The system will be cleaning itself and then I'll just flush it. I've got external 32 mil condense done. So it's coming in here, a cord through the cavity wall, connected outside to a galley, and I have to connect the condense, commission the boiler, flush the system. internally I've got everything done. Outside I just have to seal the flue. I'm not gonna shoot outside because it's raining. Once that's sealed, the chemicals have been in the system for an hour now, hour and a half. I will flush the system, commission it, and we'll be packed up and ready to go 3:45, hopefully. It's just before 3 right now. It's not terribly dirty, it's actually pretty good. That's after an hour and a half with cleaner, with a strong cleaner. So it's 4 o'clock and I'm out of here. I just have to load the old boiler up. So there you have it, that's what it takes me to install swap a combi. I'm probably slow compared to some guys out there. So minus filming, minus not having everything in the van. I think 3 o'clock without power flashing, just a mains flash with chemicals going around the system. This one, as I said, my fault, didn't have a compression fitting for the pressure relief, so had to go and get it. I was also filming, and that adds a lot of, that wastes a lot of time filming, I tell you. It's because you can't concentrate on the job as well. You can't just get on with the job. You think, oh, should I shoot that, should I shoot it, I need to change the battery. I changed the battery in this camera 3 times. Right, again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'm shooting another video tomorrow with another boiler swap, which is a bit more difficult, so stay tuned for a very similar video very soon. And yeah, remember to leave a comment, remember to click the like button, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, bye.